I would like to get you guys' opinion on this 2025 Polaris Ranger. It's a Crew XP1000 NS ULT. I'm thinking about purchasing this because in the environment I'm in, it's going to be hot, cold, the humidity and everything. This one right here got a winch, and I have a Polaris General 1000 that I used in 2021, and it was terrible. The mosquitoes and everything, when it rained, you got wet. But here it's all enclosed and well insulated. You see it has a windshield wiper, and the front windshield will move in and out. You also have a navigation system, radio, backup camera. You got your hot and cold, so it's a HVAC system, and the floor is sealed. So if you're in a dusty area, you know, no dust will not get in there. And I explained to them that I'm in all kind of environments. And like I said, it got the power windows in the front, and in the back it has the manual windows, and then the floor in the back it also have an AC unit stuff that has the blower, so you can stay cool or warm through all the environmental change. It has this tailgate right here that you could dump some things if you need to open it up to get to the filters and the oil, change your oil. And this is the NorthStar. They call it NorthStar, I guess, because they have the navigation system and everything in it, the backup cameras. I really like it. So this Polaris Ranger, I think it probably will be the way to go, especially in this oil and gas field. And while you're looking at this, if you want to go on my website and take some practice quizzes at www.weldingandstuff.net, you can. And as you see here in the back, you got spacious room. You got plenty of room. I sat in it. It's very nice. So what you guys think? If you got one of these, give me some information about how yours work. I had a few guys that had one, you know, and they said that the AC units didn't stay blowing cold after about 30 minutes to an hour. But the guy told me that they made some modifications to this 2025. And like I told him, sometime I'm sitting idle for 4 hours, and he said this one was keep blowing cool air. He said if it's 100 degrees, he think the lowest that it will probably get is about 75 degrees. And he told me to also get it tinted. So if I do purchase this, I'm gonna go ahead and get it tinted, and I'm gonna get a darker tint so nobody can't see inside in case I need to take me a nap. But anyway, you see right there at the top, it has this insulation, and he said that's to hide a lot of the cables and things because of the navigation system. It's a lot of wires and stuff, and you got your electric windows that go up and down in the front. And you have this light up here. If you need working at night, you need some light to look at some drawings and prints, you could turn it on now. And I like the back seat if I need to throw some of my drawings and alignment sheets and construction sheets, I could throw them there in the back seats. But walking around this, I think this probably is the way to go. Guys, you tell me what you think. Have a great day.